All right, guys, we're gonna rekey this Schlage keyway lock. I'm not sure if it's an actual Schlage brand or if it's an off brand. It's been just sitting in one of my bins. We're gonna make some use of it. So we're gonna drop that out of there, make sure we get the spring out of there so we don't lose that while we're doing all this. And then we don't have a workable key for it, so we're just gonna shim it. We're gonna grab a blank, grab our shim, and just work our key in and out as we wiggle that shim around to try to get it past all those. Once we think we have it enough, it'll turn. Then we grab this is our big bro from CLK Supplies. I also have the mullet sitting here. Both of them are very good. I prefer this one though, especially when doing commercial locks, because it's got a spot to knock out any master wafers. So we're going to start here. We're going to dump these out. You can either dump them out just on your mat or in a bin. I usually have a bin in my van that I dump them out in. Then we're going to take our key we're going to key it to. This one is 58869. So we're going to grab our pins. 5, 8, 8, 6, and 9. Then we're going to set this aside like this. We're going to grab our plug follower and make sure we don't have any master wafers in there. And then we're going to pull it to the back and make sure we don't have a 6th pin, anything in that 6th chamber. Hopefully you guys can see that. If not, I apologize, but there is nothing in that chamber. So then we are ready to put everything back together. So what I like to do is grab our shim again, hold it right there, put this back around to this spot, and slide this back on with the shim, then pull the shim out. Just make sure we're not dropping anything. So we're good. We're going to pull the key out, grab our spring, drop it back in there, our little pin. Oh, there that went. Give me 1 second. Grab that. That is necessary if you have one of these style tail pieces so that somebody can't just bypass the lock. And I just keep knocking it off of here. That's okay. It happens. So set that down for a second. Get this spun the right way. There we go. We're going to drop that back over there. Grab our plug follower again. And attempt to get this screwed back on. There we go. So we're going to go till it's tight. And then we are going to actually back it off one more in most cases. Now you find that that's not always true, but that's the general rule. And make sure that it goes in. And if it's not pulling out, you need to tighten that up again. Still not pulling out, so I must have not tightened it all the way the first time. That's why we check these things. Yeah, there we go. Now it's too tight, I believe. Just double check it again. Not tight enough. There we go. Okay. So yep, there we go. So there's a rekeyed lock. I'm going to try to back it off one and see if that makes it any smoother. Don't believe that backed off any. It's about how this goes though. We're going to pull that out one like that. Okay. Yeah, that's a little That comes out a little easier than before. So there you go. Now we have a keyed lock. Have a good day, guys.